In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome theme easily. If you've ever wanted your browser to feel more personal or easier on the eyes, changing your Chrome theme is a quick built-in way to do it. Let's walk through it together from a fresh start so you can follow along in real time. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome. A new tab makes the customization panel easy to find, and it ensures you're looking at Chrome's default homepage, where all the theme controls live. If your Chrome looks different, don't worry. These options are the same across recent versions. Look to the bottom right corner of the new tab page and click Customize Chrome. Depending on your version, you might see a pencil icon or a small panel that slides out from the side. This is Chrome's hub for changing how your browser looks and feels, including background images, colors, and themes. Inside that panel, under Appearance, click Change Theme. This opens Chrome's theme picker, which includes collections curated by Google and community designers. Themes can change your tab strip, toolbar color, and sometimes the new tab background, giving your browser a cohesive style. Now browse the available themes and click one you like. You'll see thumbnails and color swatches to help you decide. You don't need to tweak lots of individual settings, just choose the theme you want and select it. Think of it like a preset that bundles colors and visuals for you, saving time and keeping everything consistent. As soon as you click a theme, it applies automatically. You'll notice the changes across the top of Chrome right away. The tabs, the address bar, and other interface elements update instantly. If something looks off, that's usually because the theme uses a bold color. Try a different option or a lighter palette until it feels right for your screen and lighting. To save it, simply close the Customization tab or panel. There's nothing else you need to do. Your theme is already set and will stay active the next time you open Chrome. If you're signed in and sync is on, your theme may carry over to other devices using the same account. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you change your mind, you can return to the same customized Chrome area and pick a different theme or switch back to the default look. Also, if you prefer minimal visuals, choose a simple color theme for a clean, distraction-free interface that's easy on the eyes during long work sessions. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Chrome theme the easy way.